The Sound News Service. Recently, students of this acoustical environment have begun to call it the soundscape, comparing its characteristics to the landscape. It has seasons, daily and hourly changes. It has colors. The soundscape can be as dense in sounds as the tropical forest is dense in vegetation, or it can be a sparse acoustical desert. It is alive with biological instruments, with wind, with rain, with human machinery. Until recently, the soundscape was dominated by the phenomena of nature, punctuated occasionally by human sounds. The call of a shepherd, the hammering of a blacksmith, the peal of a church bell. To humans of the past, these ambient sounds were full of news. When animals could be heard burrowing in the ground, farmers knew the soil had thawed and the spring plowing could begin. The tone and timbre of a faraway sound could reveal changes in air pressure and humidity to a well-tuned ear. The faint sounds of a dog barking signaled a distant arrival. Surf, river, storm, wind, insects, birds, all contributed audible information to a kind of soundscape news service. Humans have always participated in this flow of sounds, but until the Industrial Revolution, perhaps the loudest sound a single human being could produce by hand, not counting a gunshot, was the clang of a blacksmith's hammer or the crack of a whip. The random sounds of human life fit into the natural soundscape in the past, expanding the news service with buoy bells and foghorns, with carriage bells, with factory whistles, with axes striking trees, with calls to prayer by muezzins and Middle Eastern minarets. In much of the world, sounds like these are still heard, still noted by people. But for the hundreds of millions of people who live in crowded urban centers, the natural soundscape of the past has disappeared beneath a flood of new sounds that are neither as readable nor as pleasant as previous soundscapes. Have a great day.